हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में कर रहे हैं क्लास 8th एसएस का वर्कबुक चैप्टर नंबर 5 एजुकेशन एंड सोशल सिस्टम ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल का पार्ट 2। ठीक है, पार्ट 2 में हम लोग कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच वेर द वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ एंशियंट इंडिया। एंशियंट इंडिया के वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज कौन कौन से थे? तो हमारा आंसर है द वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक तक्षशिला, नालंदा, वल्लभी, विक्रमशिला are famous universities in ancient India. Second number, how was the education system when the British arrived in India? हाँ, जब ब्रिटिश लोग हमारे भारत में आए तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम कैसा चल रहा था? तो when British arrived in India, a prominent method of education was prevalent in India. Third है, who established school giving Western style education in India? तो आंसर है a priest named Alexander Duff founded Western school in India. Fourth number, why did old educational institution of India begin to decrease? Answer है as the importance was given to English educated people in jobs, India's old educational institution began to decrease. 5 number, which law was suggested by Gopal Krishna Gokhale to the British government? तो आंसर है in 1912 AD, Gopal Krishna Gokhale suggested to enact a law on compulsory primary education, but the government rejected it. Question number 6, what can be called the Magna Carta of the higher education in India? Why? Answer है education which can be called Magna Carta for higher education and especially for the education of Hind was reformed in 1854 AD through Wood's Dispatch. Question number 7, based on Wood's Dispatch of 1854 AD, in which cities were universities established? The answer है based on Wood's Dispatch of 1854 AD, universities were established in Kolkata, Mumbai and Madras, Chennai of the model of the University of London. Question number 8, who established schools for girls and widows in Maharashtra? तो आंसर है इन महाराष्ट्र महादेव गोविंद रांडे एंड हिज वाइफ रमाबाई रांडे एस्टैब्लिश्ड स्कूल फॉर गर्ल्स एंड विडोज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, विच सिग्निफिकेंट वर्क रिलेटेड टू वुमेन्स एजुकेशन डिड महर्षि कर्वे डू? तो आंसर है महर्षि कर्वे एस्टैब्लिश्ड अ सेपरेट यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर वुमेन्स इन 1916 AD. Which girls school did Har Kunwar Sethani establish in Ahmedabad when? Answer है in Ahmedabad Har Kunwar Sethani established a girls school called Chhodiyo Nisal in 1850 AD. Question number 11, according to Gandhiji, the curriculum of primary education should be of how many years? The answer है according to him, the curriculum of primary education should be for 7 years in which the students should be taught various subjects and various skills. Question number 12, what was Gandhiji's opinion about basic education? तो आंसर है he was opinion that basic education should be self-sufficient and vocational. Question number 13, what type of education did Gandhiji advocate for students? तो आंसर है he was an advocate of imparting primary education in mother tongue. Question number 14, name Gandhiji's grassroots activities. तो आंसर है many of Gandhiji's grassroots activists set up various ashram and campaigned to education students. थक्कर बापा, जुगातराम दवे, पूर्णिमा बहन पकवासा एक्सेट्रा. Question number 15, according to Rabindranath Tagore, how should education be? The answer है according to Rabindranath Tagore, education should be able to develop the child creativity and he believed that the child should be free from the rigorous discipline of the education. Question number 16, who established the Brahmo Samaj when? The Brahmo Samaj was established by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1848 AD, can be considered among the foremost. Question number 17, who campaigned extensively against child marriage when? Answer है another Brahma Samaji leader named Keshav Chandra Sen campaigned extensively against child marriage in 1870 AD. Question number 18, what did Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar do for the scheduled caste? Answer है Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar fought all his life for the social, educational and political right of the scheduled caste. Question number 19, how has the evil practices of child marriage been stopped in our country? तो आंसर है ड्यू टू केशव चंद्र सेन इफोर्ट द चाइल्ड मैरिज रेस्ट्रेंट एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन 1872 AD. दिस एक्ट डिसाइडेड दैट इट वाज इलीगल फॉर अ बॉय और अ गर्ल अंडर द एज ऑफ 12 to marry. 20 नंबर विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वॉज फाउंडेड बाय दुर्गाराम मेहता. तो आंसर है इन 1844 AD दुर्गाराम मेहता जी फाउंडेड द मानव धर्म सभा इन सूरत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Which reformers of Gujarat started agitation against child marriage and in support of this widow remarriage? The answer है great reformers of Gujarat like Narmad, Karsindas, Mulgi, Mahipatram, Rupram, Dalpatram, etc. also started agitation against child marriage and in support of widow remarriage. Question number 22. Who established the Ramakrishna Mission? Why? Answer है Ramakrishna Mission founded the Swami Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897 AD to promote the Ramakrishna Paramhans liberal religious ideas and spirit of service. Question number 23. What was the main preaching that Swami Vivekananda gave? The answer है Swami Vivekananda mainly preached people to serve and improve society as a whole. Question number 24. Of what did Swami Vivekananda become a symbol and a source? तो आंसर है आपका स्वामी विवेकानंद become a symbol of new thinking and a source of great power of the future. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर खत्म होता है और यहीं के साथ आपका पार्ट 2 भी खत्म होता है. तो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.